I'm flying my drone, which is up in the air, and I can't even use it because my phone temperature is too hot. So I hope I don't lose my drone. It's up there. Beep, 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 beep. And a bat just flew past me and scared the shit out of me. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So right now I'm at the Marble Mountains, which are located at the mid-east coast of Vietnam, next to a city called Da Nang. Now, this is probably one of the cheapest tourist attractions, but with the views from the top worth $1 million. Now, what makes this so special? But for that, I need to get on the top, on the summit, and that way I can explain you a lot better. Now, there's two options to get on the top. A, you walk up the stairs. B, you take the elevator. Now, I'm all up for the adventures and a challenge, so the obvious answer is I'm taking the elevator. It's too hot to walk up the stairs. But before that, we need to buy a ticket. And there's also another surprise that's located deep inside these mountains. So let's go find that one out. Get the tickets first. Alright, the ticket is 40,000 Vietnam dong per person. And if you want to add elevator to it, it's only 15,000 extra. Man, I'll take the elevator any day. 15,000, that's nothing. That's not even a, well, that's actually literally a $1. Man, that's gonna be the best dollar I ever spent. Or at least today. It's a super, super hot day and it's getting really, really warm. Okay, the tickets are sorted with the elevator. Travel with the luxury. Should have bought some water as well. And it started to get a little bit busier because it's about 10, 11 o'clock. So you see people started to line up behind me. I'll wait for Viet and then we head up. Here we are. The breeze. Now, as you can see behind me, there's a cluster of actually Marble Mountain is 5 mountains, consisting 5 elements. So let's see if I can remember them. I think it's metal, wood. What else was it? I have to Google it. Hold on. So it's metal, water, wood, fire, and earth. These are the 5 elements that represent these 5 individual mountains. Well, we continue. In terms of clothing and stuff, don't have to be really conservative. What I've seen, shorts, t-shirts, that looks fine to me. But, as in any conservative country or place, the more you cover yourself, you can't go wrong. For this particular place, I've seen a lot of people wearing shorts and t-shirts, men, women, doesn't really matter. You can't walk inside the temple with your shoes on or footwear, but apart from that, I think it's pretty standard clothing. Look, I'm in shorts and t-shirt. There's another Mr. Big Buddha there. All right, I think this part is it, and we're gonna head up more stairs. And look at these stairs, man. They're chunky, look. They're huge. There it is. So, as you can see, there's a lot of tours here as well. So obviously you can take those tours. With that, you get a lot more information, but less flexibility to maneuver around and vice versa. So make a pick. I like to be left alone with my time, and if I want to spend more time at one place, etc., I prefer that. Information is always on the Google anyway. There's a lot of videos. Wow, that looks cool. That's a nice opening. A hole through a giant piece of rock. Made it look like a tunnel. What's over there? What's in there? There's people, children in there. If you didn't bring water or anything, don't stress too much about it. Up here, everything is available. From water to coconut water to all these beverages and beer. Oh no, thank you. I'm just saying that beer. No, thank you. Yeah, beer in a temple would never happen in India. Anyway, each to their own. But have a look at this one here. This is another cave. All right, so this is the exciting part, right? We're going to go through this cave and it's going to lead us up to this summit. Now, it's not as a normal walk or trekking, I should say. It's more like a makeshift. You'll find out when you get there. Man, last time I was sitting in here and a bat just flew past me and scared the shit out of me. Okay, so here we are. This light coming in handy. Good choice of footwear with. And I've seen like people pushing up their babies, like 3-4 years old. Oh, that was good. We did it. Well, that's a really tight opening, but it's good enough. There it is. Wow. And we're out now, off to this summit. These steps, or the piece of marble, the rocks I would say, they're super slippery. So definitely wear appropriate footwear if you do come here. And yeah, with a good gripping and stuff. And if it's wet or raining, be extra careful. So here we are on the top of the Marble Mountains. And this place is called the Heaven. Why? Have a look at the views. Further up there, behind the mist, there's a Sontra Peninsula. The Nang city is behind this mountain. A little bit skyline you can see, and you can see the Dragon Bridge, the yellow color. And these are obviously the cluster of other couple of marble mountains, and the ocean looks so amazing, and we're still hanging in there. Okay, so while everyone getting their photos done, we are leaving the summit. Man, have a look at this one. See how shiny they are? This is how slippery it is. No traction whatsoever. Probably it's called Heaven because it can send you to heaven pretty quick if you've been a good boy or good girl. There it is. Now if you look around here, this is where we, further up there to the right, that's where we climbed up into the cave, walk all the way up and came down. So if you don't want to climb up that cave because it's, I don't know, too risky or whatever reason, well, you don't have to. You can just go into the cave, come out and literally walk through here, and you can actually go to this, the top view point from up these stairs as well. That's an option for you. All right, so this is the surprise I was talking to you about in the beginning of the video. Man, this cave is actually amazing. Check this one out. We're actually walking down into this darkness. Huge. And there's an opening up in the top, bring the sunlight and even sometimes rain. Man, definitely the temperature is a lot more less than what's outside. It's so much cooler inside here and darker. It almost look like the Uncharted or the Tomb Raider, the movies or the games, the similar kind of architecture. Well needed. Okay, so after a short coconut water break, we're heading over to the next point, which is right behind me. Whew, man, it's still going. This is the challenging bit of this mountain. Challenging in a way. It's a lot of stairs, and the elevation just go rocking it up. Looks like we're almost there. These steps are like small. Some I don't even know. My hand with it. Look. Wow. You made it. This is so cool. Okay. Right. Man, this is cool. So, that's the Da Nang city right behind me. It's not too far, maybe 15 minutes drive. I'm flying my drone, which is up in the air, and I can't even use it because my phone temperature is too hot. So I hope I don't lose my drone. It's up there. Now, if you think what makes this Marble Mountain so special, well, one of also the reason is, have a look around, right? So, apart from those mountains which are like further, probably 50, 60 kilometers away, I think they are Bana Hills and stuff, the whole area is pretty flat apart from these 5 limestone mountains. They just like randomly appeared in this area. That's what makes them so sacred and so special as well. Like, you're looking around and there's nothing. And you look at this bunch here and it's like a cluster of these 5 limestone mountains. Just like dropped down from somewhere or just popped up randomly. Going downhill is much, much better than going up. I know it's obvious, but God, not when there's so many stairs and you have to do in one day. That's a task. Okay, I think we've got 2 more parts to go after this. Okay, so we've done the highest peak. Now time to head up over this side and explore what's in that. Oh yeah. Looks like another cave. Okay, so that's the entrance. I'm not sure where it leads to. Should we go? Oh no, I can't go anything further up. That's it with, it's the dead end. I thought I could go anywhere further, but we can't. All right, reverse. Beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, I don't know. Beep, 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 beep. That's my reversing skills. Cool. Let's wrap it up. So, the place is Marble Mountains. It's located 15-20 minutes south of a city called Da Nang, which is the mid-east coast of Vietnam. Trying to beat the traffic or the tourist rush. I'm a tourist as well, and most likely you will be as well. But what I mean by that is the buses and stuff, you know, when those rush coming in. You can avoid it by coming here before 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. Secondly, and probably most importantly, is wear comfortable shoe with good gripping. Now, doesn't matter what weather it is because, man, this marble mountain is marble, right? The marble is slippery. There's a lot of marble up here. So if you wear comfortable shoe with good gripping, that's gonna help you climb up and down and actually enjoy the place even more. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment box if there's any questions or any other comments in general. There'll be more videos coming up, so I'll be definitely seeing you in those. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do so now and don't forget to press the bell icon so you get the notification for my next videos. Well, I'll see you in those. Until then, goodbye and take care. We're still alive. Bye. See you.